Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Henning of CaseMOD in South Africa. I have very exciting news for you. I'm going to attend Thermaltake CaseMOD 2018, the Season 2 Thermaltake Talent. The reason why I want to join this program is because I believe that it is actually the pinnacle of case modding worldwide. It is the most exclusive event, and personally I've actually worked towards it since I started my brand back in 2012.
Alright guys, so my most noteworthy build recently was Project Regium. This was a collaboration build between myself, Thermaltake and ASUS. I used my technique called texturing, which I do by hand, as well as hand paint the build myself. I've also laid, you'll see there's material there, I've laid some velvet inside. We've got some carbon sleeving from MDPCX with the inline temp sensor for the 1080, the CL360 radiator, some flow indicators, the D5 Pacific pump, the Maximus 10 Apex, and man, this build was just a lot of fun. We built it into the level 20 XT, so brand new chassis that's celebrating the 20th anniversary of Thermaltake.
Partnerships with Thermaltake has now led me to get invited to have the honor of the invitational. What we plan is we're going to have real-time system usage. We're going to have some robotics built into our system, and I don't want to give away the theme just yet. That's something that you're going to need to vote for so you can see it. Thermaltake has been a brand I've looked up to for many years. Most recently I've had the honor of working with them on two very high-end exclusive builds. Project Night King, as some of you may know, actually had dual independent water loops. We had a 1080 Ti Poseidon, which was overclocked to well over 2000 megahertz. So I hope that I can count on your vote to be able to represent South Africa on a global scale in the case modding industry. Thank you very much guys. Cheers.